Let's talk about Google Analytics 4, or GA4, for those of us that don't have all day. So what is it? It's Google's free analytics tool that tells you exactly what's happening on your website or app. And I mean everything. Who's visiting, where they're coming from, what pages they're looking at, how long they're staying, and whether they're actually doing what you want them to do, like buying something or signing up. Think of this like security cameras for your website, except instead of catching shoplifters, you're tracking customer behavior. Did they click that button? Did they bounce after 5 seconds? Did they add something to their cart and then ghost you? GA4 knows. Now here's why you actually need this. Running a website without analytics is like driving blindfolded. Sure, you might have a website that looks great, but if you don't know who's visiting or what they're doing, you're just guessing. With GA4, you can see which marketing campaigns are actually working and which ones you're burning your money. You can figure out which pages people love and which ones make them run away screaming. You can track conversions, that's fancy talk for they did the thing you wanted them to do. Plus, GA4 works across your website and your app, so you can see the full customer journey. Someone starts browsing on their phone, finishes the purchase on their laptop, you'll see it. It's free, it's powerful, and honestly, if you're not using it, you're flying blind. Make data-driven decisions instead of just crossing your fingers and hoping for the best.